Good.
This is Matthew Sybil now.
Put up. More.
Get it like almost vertical, and then just pull out.
Wait him run, Let him run.
He's coming towards it at the moment.
Give him a wind.
Get back up to that one point you had it.
Good minute.
Đấy nên chặtให้มันหัวล้น
Yep. Big smile. Go.
Yes, yep.
Pump and wind.
Yes. And down and up. Yes. Up.
Yeah, up.
Hook.
Follow the fish.
มานี่ไม่นี่ละเอาหมุน
Oh, one.
Up. More. Yes, up. Yes.
Get a grip wire up on the rod too.
Okay. Now you. Up. Yes. Now and you.
Any space you can get on him, make sure you do. Up.
This line is a problem.
Yeah, keep that line tight always.
Down. Up. Good.
This code has been drilling and then just throwing it straight into where he's throwing it. Like,
Wheel.
hook the fish straight away. Like,
When you reel you down.
down, yeah.
Stop. Put up.
Reel in harder when you go down.
Then reel fast.
Yes.
Pull up.
You move back.
Down. Yeah. Up. Yes.
Is that line shaking? Ah, now he's going for a run.
Yeah. And down and through.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Yeah.
เจ็ดเอานังไปขึ้นเขาบอกเขาวางได้เนี่ยเขาเสียไป
เอาไปขึ้นเขาเลยบอกนี่จำไปหาที่บาทบ้าง
Yeah, hold it there.
เขาเอาขึ้นให้
Watch out.
30 บาทเขาปรับ
Pull it back this way. Like,
Yeah, keep it low and pull it towards you.
เพราะว่าที่เขาแคปบ้างแคปก่อนดาววิวยับ
There he goes. It's alright, that's just ours.
yeah, just let him run.
Down. Yes.
Dragging it towards it.
What?
Dragging it. Yeah.
Down and two.
Just so the viewer is aware, these rods are incredibly tough.
Okay, keep it down.
Yes.
There we go.
Keep it down.
โอ้พวกไร โอ้พวกไรโอ้
Crocodile. How do you feel, Matt?
Bit buggered. Yeah. Come to Buddy White. No one's gave it a kiss yet. There you go.
Big smile.
Biggest one. All right. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
It's a big brim you got there, Beach.
How's the Marby River going for you? It comes to you. It sounds like absolute fucking dire. Like, no, fuck! I don't lose this shit.
Tom?
Come through.
Tom?
More.
Yeah. Won't be long till you're on, Jay.
That's right. I found out this is yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna be mass dog.
oh, Beach.
Yeah. Like the closer you get, the more.
Yeah, this is my favourite song off the album, Jay. Didn't love it.
Oh, that's a good one right there.
How you feeling, Beach?
Pretty good.
One.
A fisherman.
For once, actually.
Oh, come on, pop in.
What fish? Carp or arrowhara?
I think it might be a carp or a big mekong.
Tell you what, Mekong catfish are pretty good looking fish though.
Yeah, they are.
I hate their ugly mouth, but like... Yeah, their eyes are in a funny spot. Yeah. Let it pull and shit.
Yeah, BJ.
It does not like you at all.
I think this one's going to be about, the same size as me.
Then you get it, it's like this big or something.
Well, the biggest catfish in here weighs twice as much as BJ, so...
Yeah. It would be funny though, like you get the meanest fighting fish and it's like this size or something.
Wow. It's a European carp, but like...
Tense.
BJ's going to put on about 10 kilos of muscle here. There we go, I saw the trace. Here's it coming.
Oh, yep, start of the trace. He doesn't like it though. Fucking wants more of that mono. Still wants to run.
Just by the bend in this rod, I'd say this one's quite big.
How long is it going for now?
5 minutes. Well, BJ's had the longest fight so far.
If you run out of time, I can record on here too. So.
Beauty. Here we go.
Okay, another caddy?
Good.
How heavy you think this one is? Bigger?
17.
17?
On par beach. Mine was just more willing, I'm telling you. Mine wanted to come. Okay. You're going to take me out of the water? That's fine.
Kiss it.
I want to kiss it.
Yeah, you gotta give him a kiss.
Break some stuff.
Yeah. Do it on the top of the head though.
BJ's going to get in and cuddle this catfish.
Yes. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
There we go.
Down. Sit down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, boy.
There you go.
Okay.
A fish that weighs half as much as BJ.
17 kilos. Oh yeah.
Gives the thumbs up.
Oh yeah.
Slapsies.